Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I've just popped on to show you what I've been up to. I know I said I wouldn't do another video, but there is a good reason why I've come on to do another video, and that will be revealed soon. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I hope you're all ready and awaiting the big day and excited about it, and I hope your children are all excited about Santa Claus coming. Always going to be so much fun. We're off to Rachel's and we're going to be spending the couple of days with Rachel, and I'll be visiting, as I said before, my eldest daughter, and then later on in the new year I'll catch up with my son. Anyway, look what I've been up to and look what I've been doing. So I've been getting ready for next year. Don't laugh. And I thought, no, I've been longing to make one of Roxy Creations' beautiful ephemera holders, and I've been watching her replays of her. I think it was a year ago that she did it, I think, and I think she's done one not too long ago, so you'll be able to find it. And if you want me to, I'll link it in the bottom, you know, in the description box. But anyway, first of all, I'm making a slow stitch book because I made this cover and I didn't know what to do with it because I was going to put a journal in it in the collaboration, and I changed my mind. But it's so nicely done, I thought I must use it. I must do something with it. It's got beautiful baubles on there. I'm not sure where the material came from because it's rather nice. It may have been Angela Kerr's, but I'm not 100% sure. I put this lovely trim on there. So that was made. So I thought, right, let's make it into a slow stitch book, like I've done before, but a Christmas one. So that's the plan, and that's what I'm taking to Rachel's to stitch whilst I'm there with them. And I put some batting in there, and that's got to be, I'm going to be doing some little bits inside the lace there, and then they'll both be joined together like that, and I shall stitch it all together. Not sure what I'm going to do on here yet, but I'll work it out, I'm sure. And I've just been playing the last couple of days. I've just been playing, trying to get my juices going, because you know what, when you do paper crafting and then you switch to doing slow stitching or hand stitching, whatever you want to call it, your brain works in two different directions, as I've discovered. It may not for you, but it does for me. And so it's taken me a couple of days to get back into thinking slow stitching, not paper crafting. So I'm just throwing that out there in case, you know, you have the same problem. It did take me a couple of days to get my head around it, and I still haven't really got my head around it because I had so much fun doing the collaboration, which I'm going to talk about in a moment, that it took me a while to come out of paper crafting. That's what I'm trying to say. And I made loads of things, and I posted all the things I was supposed to post except one. And I'll just show you one more thing, and then I'll tell you about why I've popped on. Now this, I started making, I think it must have been in October, I think. I'm not sure, that's right. Good job I looked at that because it was the wrong way up. There's a little flower on there, look. And what I've done now, I've just put this lining inside. Isn't it cute? It's really cute, isn't it? I'm not sure I'm on screen properly. I hope I was when I was doing that other one. Just make sure. There you go. Yeah, so I've just put this lovely material in. Not sure if that's Angela Kerr's. I think it is Angela Kerr's because it was just a small square like that. So she's got beautiful materials in her shop. Lovely Angela. Merry Christmas, Angela, if you're watching. And, oh, no, I need that. And then I thought what I was going to do was make, I should have another piece of this somewhere. I've thrown it somewhere. I'm going to find the other piece because there are two pieces going in here. And I was going to do either a slow stitch book, but I'm not 100% convinced about this. I might make it a needle book, you know, putting your needles and things in. So that's something for me to play with at Rachel's as well. All right, so that's a cutie. Not sure whether I'm going to carry on in the vein I'm going in, but that's those two things. So that's those ready to go to Rachel's with me, so I can do some slow stitching. That's the colours I've chosen along with creams to go with me. Okay, and probably I'll take some more. But let me just show you this. This was I'm fishing it out the bin or not. It was that, and it was a kitchen garden book, all right? And I've kept the inners because I'd already been taking pages from it. And I've made, just like Roxy Creations taught me. Don't think it'll all fit in, but we're doing okay, I think. And I'm sorry about the glare, and I'll hold it up so there's not that much of a glare. And she introduced us to these lovely see-through, and I did put one in my last journal that I made, the last Christmas journal at the back. And what you do, you just peel them off, look, and they're see-through. So when you take everything out, you can see right through to the pattern. And I think that's a wonderful idea, and they really do stick down. If you want me to, I shall put the link in the description box because it's made my life so much easier. I haven't stitched them in yet. I've made 6 full pages. I've joined pages together like Rachel told us to, okay, because the back is like that. And then I've used cardstock, okay, and that's how I've been doing it. I've left the paper in there so you can see the size that I've been doing. And I've just ordered some more of this size. That's a little bit tight, but never mind. I knew I shouldn't have taken it out. But it does go in. So I've just got to sew these in now, and I'm ready to go. And I've just ordered another 2 packs because I think they're wonderful. And then you can store all your ephemera. And these cutie ones are really lovely for the ephemera. So, you know, I put labels in there so you can do that. So you haven't got to fish through great big pockets. And I've used lovely paper on there, and I've used this lovely cardstock to line the inside. And then that will be kept on my desk, and I shall be putting all my Christmas ones in the last one there, and I shall be putting different things in each one. So isn't that fun? Isn't that great fun? So these were from Rachel and Bella. Those are in my last video, these labels. So they are listed. If you go back and watch the last video, I think I put those labels in there along with these. Not those, I don't know where they came from. I can tell you now, hang on a sec. The printing's not very good on here, so I don't know. I wouldn't like to say because I might get it wrong. I can't read it. It's free commercial license or something. I think they were freebies off what's it called, images on YouTube, not YouTube, on Google, okay? I think. I know they were free, but there we go. So that's what I've done. Isn't that fun? So I know it's a bit big, but you know, sometimes we need bigger things, don't we? So, and I love this book, so I thought that would be ideal, and it can just go straight under my shelf, and that will be handy. It's quite heavy though, that's the only thing. I could have used cardstock, I suppose, but I didn't. Anyway, let's get to the reason that I've come on. Rachel from Rachel and Bella Crafts has done her giveaway for the collaboration, and she didn't realise that I hadn't put mine on Facebook, so mine got left off. So I thought, oh dear, what am I going to do now? So anyway, this was what I was promising for the... Sorry, that was my husband. Sorry about that. Lost my train of thought now. Anyway, this is for the Christmas collaboration that I promised that I would give away this lovely tag journal, if you remember, that I did in the giveaway. And I was so blown away by the amount of comments, but not only that, the amount of people, you know, the views, the amount of people that watched that particular video. And I thought, I've got to come on, I've got to do this myself, because Rach can't do another video, she's up to her eyes. So please forgive her for not including mine, or if anyone else's has been left off, do as I'm doing and do it yourself, because it's so easy. What I'm going to say for this video, if you leave a comment and a like, and just say December Daily in the comment, and you can, don't write DD, write December Daily, okay? Because I may miss the DD. So I'll probably do it like I did last time, depending on how many people leave comments. So this is what she is, and this is what you'll get. You won't get it before Christmas, I'm afraid, and I had intended that it went out early, but you've got it for next year, haven't you? What a super thing to have ready for next year. So there she is, and I'm really pleased with her. Okay, she's got little tags there, and I've got numbers all the way through. So this will be a December daily for you for next year, already done. And you can add your own personality to it, and it's got lots of little charms throughout it. It's got lace on it, beautiful papers that we use in the collaboration. Okay, and this is what you'll get. So if you'd like to do that, and if you'd like to win this, but as I say, you won't get it now before Christmas, but you'll have it ready for next year. Okay, and what have I done there? Oh no, that goes in there. Good job I didn't pull that hard. So whoever gets this, remember that. I've tucked that up in there. And that, oh, that was one of the ones I did on the freebie ones, I think. Well, that's cute. You forget, don't you? So that's tucked in there. That was a good idea. Look at that. And then we've got this at the back. Okay, so if you're interested in this little journal, then please leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you'd like to, but that's not essential. Okay, and then you're in with a chance. And I'm going to draw this Saturday today. I'm going to draw it Sunday evening at 8 o'clock. I think that'll be about right. Maybe 7 o'clock in the evening, because I'll settle down with my husband after that. And I'll do the draw at 7 o'clock tomorrow on Sunday here in the UK at 7 p.m. Okay, I can't do it any longer because I'm going to be busy and getting ready to go to Rachel's. So, but I did want to pop on. So if you're a regular of my channel, then you'll catch this and you'll see it. Okay, so there we go then. So December daily written out full, 2 words, and then you'll be in with a chance to win. And good luck to you all. Have a wonderful Christmas, and thank you all so much for all your likes and your comments, and especially for subscribing. Take care, everybody, and God bless you all. Bye for now.